is really good. Look at that. It's the corrections here.
Yeah.
It's here today on the 26th of July 2023. We have Uudenmaankatu. Vi har skadat 95 steg sig. And we have filmed the stickers B on the Fredriksgatan 35 side.
Yeah, but
I think I didn't film it here, so I filmed the stickers B before. So. Okay, it's very beautiful. It's modernized with evergreen fixtures. Built in 1930, modernized in 2006, and the silver SH1347. The capacity is 4 persons and 320 grams. It's going to be expected 2025, and let's take two rods here. I cannot remember if I filmed this, so I probably didn't.
yeah.
The bib is needless, but it has it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, it's a rarer one from 1930.
Is that maintained by Kone?
Should have been in a Swedish, also the metal plate.
Yeah.
It's missing, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's just basic. Yeah.
This should have been original from 1930 because it was rare.
Yeah.
And this sticker is really beautiful.
Yeah.
It was best when it was completely original.
Yeah.
Very good. Like a bridge, yeah. Bridges.
Yeah.
This one of the more beautiful stickers is in Helsinki.
Yeah.
Told me that the elevator should have basically be original.
Yeah.
But it was worth 2 rides.
Yeah.
Also because they at least preserved the gate here also.
Yeah.
The worst thing could have been that glazed in a door with a better bird the gate is better. The gate is better.
Yeah.
And so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much. The stickers will be here as well. I think B was also modernized in 2006.
Yes, it was. That's